if I look at the NQ, I think I'll tidy this count up, but I think that's the one. I think this is the 2 at that 618. That's the next 5 up, and I think we're getting an A, B, C, and the way that's actually transpiring is this is another A, B, C. So I think this is a WXY pattern, but all that notwithstanding, I'm expecting to see the bottom of this green zone at the 764 retrace 72.45 in the NQ, and then it to accelerate to the upside in its 3 of 3. And the Dow Jones, I'm actually tempted to take a long trade using the Dow futures. This chart is just so clean. I've got this nice 5 up to here. I've got an A, B, C back into a retrace fib here, a lovely clean 5 up, smack into the 278.6 level, a clean A, B. I'm looking for the C down. If I see the Dow Jones come down today and hit one of these fibs in the target region here between 28.4 and 528.306, then that's going to get me long the Dow. And I promise you, I very rarely trade the Dow, but the chart is lovely. It's really clean, and targets above are up at 29,000. So that's you know, that's a nice setup and a really clean chart. So that's why. It doesn't mean I'm going to put anything less into the ES, by the way, at all.